We're rolling. I can see my volumes on this time. Sorry about yesterday. Shit happens. I didn't realize my mic was muted for the entire video. So yeah, today we're gonna be wrapping up control flow and then starting on operators. Pretty cool stuff. Um, we're just about done with the foundations. Things are going pretty good so far, but that pracapp from yesterday was kicking my ass, as you saw. So we're gonna try to finish it up. Now I don't think I'm gonna do all of them, because a lot of this shit was going way over my head. I mean, even the troubleshooting was kicking my ass, but we made it through. We did everything they needed. Um, so let's just run it. Oh, it's not my pracapp. I'm very proud of this game, you know? Wait a second. Did we cover loops at all in 1.3? Have we? Have I? Break and continue. Hold on. Hold the fuck on. Whoa. Pause. We're going back. Because look, right? 1.3, control flow. That's crazy. It's fucking up. Control flow, part one. How was I supposed to know that? So fucking dumb sometimes. Switch, break, default, enum, switch, switch, and if. Still no while? Oh, maybe I was supposed to put it in Obsidian. Uh, See? What is that bullshit? Dude, what the fuck is that? Okay, I'm gonna tell it. I'm gonna give you one fucking chance to break these up. I'm excited for chapter 5. Let's talk about these real quick. CPP reference and C++.com. Let me check on the UTubs real quick, make sure we're rolling for real. Oh my goodness. We are rolling. Cool. And I need to see if that video uploaded. It's not. Okay, whatever. Whoa. C++.com. What's going on? What is the website down? Wow. Okay, so cppreference.com has like everything you need in it. And it looks like it's even got libraries. Now, I'm not super um I don't quite understand all this, to be honest. Uh but you can click on some of the links and it'll show you what some of these functions do. I think you can search up here too. So what was one of the questions I just had? Study 1.3.2. Oh, I was supposed to download that. Wait, did it make me an MD file? It did not. This bitch. Ah, I had to say yeah. Whatever. We will come back to that. We'll come back to this. Uh, okay, maybe there's a command I don't understand. It's like break or default. I really don't. Disconnected. We're back. All right, so let's jump into. Yeah, I thought that last pracapp was looking a little weird. Shit on there that I didn't see. So this should cover loops and break and continue. Okay. When you find yourself writing if x is equal to 1, then whatever. Else if x equals to 2, then whatever. 3, whatever. Else whatever. You're repeating yourself like a drill instructor with no coffee. C++ gives you a better formation for this. The switch statement, a multi-branch structure built for clarity and speed. Okay, this is our first time we're seeing break. Switch expression. Case constant 1, constant 2, and then the default. How is that better than writing it the other way? Alright, integer rank equals 2. Um, so if you're rank 2, I don't know if I like switch statements. I think I would legit rather write it like that. Oh. Let's try a quick pracapp on that one. Um, oops. Int main. Yes. My phone is gonna die. Uh, X, yeah, sure. X equals 0. Mm, Switch X, uh, uh, space 1. Oh, cool. Now, do I have to do case 1? I don't think I do. I think I can do whatever the hell I want. Case. Alright, now I'm getting a little freaky here. Case less than 5 or equal to 5. I don't like the way that looks. Uh, Less than 5, sure. We'll do less than 3, so it's a heart. Um, yeah, we don't gotta overcomplicate this. I did not mean for that. Totally fucking up the file structure here. Oops. Okay, so it didn't like that. Uh, did not like that. Oh, this has nothing to do with it, but I forgot to make a default case. So it doesn't like that. Can I do one of these numbers? Or am I just throwing things around now? Okay, it really doesn't like that. See, but I could do this with the other thing. Oh, maybe that's what I was saying, because it is using equals to equals to. So you know what this would be good for? This would be good for asking the player to pick like an option. So we'll do int uh player or like menu selection, right? And this is like a menu. One, Uh, quit to play 3 settings for uh I don't fucking know, network or something. And then now we have like a blueprint to go off of. So maybe this is only for explicit, like equal to. I'm forgetting. It's right. Oh, did I really do that? There we go. Nice. Uh, okay, that's pretty straightforward. Uh, yeah, I still think I like if else better. I don't know, it just seems neater to me. Like I can read it. Like it makes more sense in my mind as I read it, but maybe, I don't know, should mix it up. Right. Enum class is totally going over my fucking head. Why? Crazy they spent all this time showing cases, but it's like pretty straightforward. Maybe I'm missing something. But then for Enum integration, like, uh, oops. What? Fuck. Oh, it's changing it up. I can see myself using uh I can see myself using cases or switching cases. I just think it's like my issue is it just feels like this is more like tight and this is more lines. Uh, it's probably not even that deep. Okay, this is cool. I like this right here. This is neat. Uh, okay, so fall through behavior is kind of cool. Fall through behavior controlled or accidental. So it could be controlled, or if you goof up, it'll run it through. So if you pick case, oh, so that's how they do it. So grade divided by 10. That's what that pracapp was talking about. Okay, so grade, which is 90, divided by 10. Oh, because it's an integer, so it'll. I'm thinking if like the grade was like a weird number, but never mind. It gets truncated, 10. So if we got a 100 or you got a 90, they're both A's. So they spit you out A. So this was controlled. If you get an 80 or higher, this is really cool. This is like a really simple way to do it. 8 brought B, 7 C, 6 D, defaults. You got an F. Except the default doesn't have a break in it. What's up with that? Oh, maybe the last one doesn't have to have break. I don't. That's okay. Whatever. Um. Pick an option. Okay, so kind of like what we did over here. About the same thing. Uh. Yeah. Okay, that's what I was thinking. It has to be exact constant matches. Where this one can do ranges and more complex logic. So this one's like cannot use logical operators, I guess. Default path is else. But you can do fall through with switching, which is kind of cool. These are slower? Huh. That's crazy stuff. My head's getting cold. Okay. As we was. Uh. Oh, I'm so freaking tired today. What is enumerate and switch? A state machine. Enums and switches are best friends. They make code readable and maintainable. Damn. Starting to look like Python. This doesn't like really explain what that is. Come on, ChatGPT. You're supposed to be smart. You're supposed to be my teacher. Okay, whatever. So we call it game state. I read about this before. Okay, so enumerate game state. Menu, playing, paused, game over. In main, game state, current is playing. Switch, current. Switch current. What? I'm confused here. Oh, maybe it's just an example. Uh, oh. I think they'd have to expand on this a little bit more because this just doesn't seem. I don't. I don't quite get it. Is this like maybe this could be anything? Uh, but the way it runs, right? It would. Okay. All right. I'll need more. I'll need more examples. We were literally talking about this yesterday. That's fucking crazy. That's fucking crazy. That's really cool. I'm trying to visualize in my mind how this would work. So you lay out the game states here. Uh, I guess this would be part of like a loop or something, or like that would be within a loop of some kind. Uh, and at the end of the loop, it's gonna check for game state or something. Uh, or maybe this will be like its own function. Maybe that would make more sense. Uh, and so on, and so it's like, yeah, it's just constantly checking what the game state is, and displaying it to whatever, right? But if you press the menu button, like the escape button, it will pull up the menu or the pause button, maybe. Yeah, probably pause. So escape changes the game state. Current equals paused. And then it'll say game is paused or game paused. And then break out of that. Okay, that's pretty straightforward. Oh, I don't think I can stay up very late tonight. I'm tired. Can't do it. Okay, but let's do a quick quiz. Actually, let's Barney into markers. We're gonna make a fucking project. Hold on. No, we're not. We're gonna come back to that. I'm being silly. I did it that way too. Put it in brackets. Oh, I never knew. I kind of like this. I don't like that. Uh, okay. This current piece. Explain that? I don't think it does. What? Are you fucking kidding me? Wait, this is so fucking big. Oh, this is crazy. I'm just having a hard time wrapping my head around this. Uh, there's all this fancy shit with the classes, right? But why? Maybe it's just the nature of this program. It's so simple. But why would you not just do? I guess this would get elaborated more on. Like this is so this is a different constant. Oh, this is a different kind of constant. Oh, these are variables for the, the class. So weapon W, which W is like the player choice, like the player's choice. Okay, so player picks like two or staff three. Oh, I think it did say you could do that. You could pick three, and it'll pick that one as its value. Yeah, one, two. Oh wait, am I stupid? So if the player weapon choice was a staff, and player direction choice was east, it'll say the mage faces east, ready to cast. Interesting. Oh geez, guys, I'm just too freaking tired today. I'm gonna have to hit the hay here. I'm really struggling. I'm really freaking struggling. Okay, this is big. I like this. I like all these actually. Maybe classes are really fucking useful. I don't know why that went over my head at the beginning. I was sitting here wondering what the hell would I use this for? But it's like you've got two pieces that are really interchangeable, right? Like the state of the game is interchangeable. Like that's gonna change often, right? Like you're gonna go to the menu, you're gonna play it, you're gonna pause it, and you're gonna die. The game's gonna end. But then also your choice is gonna change a lot. Like you're gonna press the pause button. You're gonna go to the menu. Maybe that was a bad example, but this is a better example. Your choice, your input's gonna change, and these states are gonna change. So, like, I know what I'm trying to say, but I just can't say it. Uh, Glasses down. I'll be honest, I don't know why it hasn't shown me while loops yet. Kind of bothers me, you know? It really bothers me. I'm trying to think how I would do this. Or if it's case sensitive. Okay. This is gonna be redundant as hell. I don't know why I added so many. Do north, south, east, and west. East, comma. I'm so tired. Sorry about that. Let me just.